Good morning, students. This is Raju, Associate Professor in the Department of ECE in Ramchandra College of Engineering. I am going to explain about moments and skew with examples in the subject of random variables and stochastic process. As you know that in the last class we have discussed about expectation or mean. Expectation or mean or moment is defined as if capital X is a random variable and it is having the real numbers, if you are applied averaging process on random variables, so then it is called as that is movement or expectation. And then if you are not satisfied with expectation or mean, as you know that the mean means that is E of X equal X into probability of X. If you are not satisfied with mean value, then we are going for that is second movement. The second movement is also called as variance. The variance means it is the dispersion with respect to mean is called as variance. It is denoted with sigma x square. Sigma x square already discussed. Sigma x square equal that is E of x minus m whole square into P of x gives the that is second moment or variance. Then third one is now we are discussing about skew. Skew means it is a third central moment. It is a third moment. Third central moment is also called as that is skew. Skew is denoted with mu3 equal to E of x minus m whole cube. So this is the third moment. If it is a variance, that is called as second moment. So means that is defined as x minus m whole square into probability of x. It gives the that is variance value. But this is the skew value that is mu3 equal E of x minus m whole cube. So finally, the moment means the averaging process is applied on a random variables. So then it is named as that is E of x, expectation or mean value or moment of that particular random variables. Here, this is the normalized third central moment mu3 of sigma x cube or known as the skewness of the density function coefficient of skewness moment. As you know that the expected value or mean value of the random variables is called as a moment. For example, the expectation is named as the first moment. The moments are classified into that is movement about the origin and movement about the mean. For example, if x is a random variable, then you as you discussed earlier, expectation is E of x is equal m into xi into probability of xi. So here xi is a real number and probability of xi is real number. This particular real number probability of that particular random variable. Coming to the movement about the origin. Usually movements are determined about the mean are called as that is central movement. So here movement about the origin is defined as if you are calculated the mean or expected value with respect to random variable, so then it is called as that is movement about the origin with respect to random variable x value. If you are find out, so then that is named as movement about the origin. This is the nth moment. You can observe this here. This is the nth moment. M of n equal E of x power n is equal minus infinity to plus infinity if it is a continuous random variable. If it is a continuous random variable, we can define E of x power n. It is the nth moment. that is x power n into fx of x, density function multiplied with x power n of dx. This is for continuous random variable. If it is the nth moment, so this is named as continuous random variables movement about the origin. We are finding the expectation or averaging value with respect to x is called as movement about the origin, and that too it is nth power. Nth power. If it is first e of x power 1 means that is the first moment x into fx of x dx. That is the first moment. If it is second moment, that is x minus m whole square into fx of x dx. So that is named as that is variance. So third moment is called as Q-ness. Already we have discussed third moment, and this is the nth moment is named as that is movement about the origin. If x is a discrete random variable, so then we can define m of n equal I equal to 1 to n xi power n of probability of x equal to xi. So this is the nth moment about the random variable x. Nth moment about the random variable x. So this is called as that is moment about the origin. With respect to x we are finding, so then it is named as that is moment about the origin. If x is a continuous random variable, then the moment about the mean is defined. If you are find out the nth moment with respect to mean, it is called as that is movement about the mean. As you know that is sigma x square means e of x minus m whole square. That is the variance or second moment. But here we are finding the nth moment mu of n is equal to e of x minus m whole power n. So means it is a nth moment. Nth moment we are finding here averaging process of nth moment is also called that is movement about the origin. Movement about the origin. Here this is for continuous random variable. So mu n is equal minus infinity to plus infinity x minus m whole power n multiplied with fx of x dx. So this gives the movement about the origin for a continuous random variables. If x is a discrete random variable, then I can define the moment like this. So then it is a moment about the mean mu n is equal sigma I equal to 1 to n xi minus m whole power n into p of x equal to xi. So this is the nth moment. If it is a variance, as you know that we have discussed xi minus m whole square into probability of xi x equal to xi. So that is the variance or second moment. Absolute moment. Beta n equal to e of x power n equal mod of xi power n. Exactly it gives absolute moments. So either plus or minus. So modulus of xi whole power n equal to probability of x equal to xi for a discrete random variable we can define. It is a moment about the mean, moment about the origin. And here minus if it is a continuous random variable, as you know that is x power n fx of x dx for a continuous random variable. Like this we can find the moments. So as you discussed earlier, the expectation or means an averaging process is applied on a random variable. So then it is called as a mean value. That as you discussed, that is x into p of xi gives the mean value. X into probability of xi gives the mean value. That is also defined as e of x. E of x equal to x into probability of xi gives the mean value. That is, if you are find out that is second moment, that is xi minus m whole square, that is the dispersion value xi minus m whole square into probability of xi gives the variance or second moment value. Xi minus m whole cube gives the skewness value, that is the skewness also called as that is third moment. xi power whole power n into probability of xi equal to xi. So that gives the, that is nth power nth moment, that is called as the moment about the origin. Xi minus m whole power n into probability of x equal to x. So that gives the moment about the mean for nth power. So that is named as movement about the mean. So here it is completely absolute movement. Absolutely, it is mod of xi power n into multiplied with probability of x equal to xi for a discrete random variable. And similarly, minus infinity to plus infinity x power 4 fx of x dx for a discrete random variable. The variance already we have discussed our second moment, sigma x square equal sigma I equal to 0 to infinity xi minus m whole square, that is the second moment. The dispersion between present random variable with mean value, so then it is named as variance multiplied with probability of that particular event. Just here we will discuss about one example, that is find the mean value of random variable whose probability density function is given by f of x equal 3 by 5 10 power minus 5 into x of 100 minus x. As you know that the expectation or mean value or moment value is defined, it is averaging process, and that is equal, limits already given, it is a probability density function minus infinity to plus infinity x into fx of x dx. So that is equal, the limits are given that already 0 to 100, and x integration is x square, and to f of x means 3 by 5 10 power 5 minus 500 minus x dx. So x into x means that is x square. So therefore outside, common to the outside, 3 by 5 10 power minus 5 by 5 0 to 100, 100 into x square 100 x square minus x into x square, that is x cube. So therefore this is the final value, 3 into, this is the value 3 into 10 power minus 5 by 5 100 into x square integration is x cube by 3 minus x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 under the limits of 0 to 100. Therefore final this answer, this gives the, after substitution of the limits, the value is, mean value we are getting, that is 50. Finally mean means it is the averaging process on a random variables is called as a mean or moment. Mean or moment. If it is continuous random variable, so that is for continuous random variable, means if it is discrete random variable, if you are find out the mean, that is discrete random variable averaging process or mean value. If x is a random variable with distribution of 1 by 6 x plus k, already it is, so if otherwise it is 0 elsewhere, then find the k and then mean, find the k and mean value. So therefore as you know that, that is k value as per that is probability density function property, that is minus infinity to plus infinity fx of x dx equal to 1. This is the property for probability density function. So limits already is given that 0 to 3, and f of x value is already given that, that is 1 by 6 x plus k dx equal to 1. And x integration is x square by 2, and k constant, and 1 means 1 integration is x of 0 to 3 equal to 1. So after substitution 3 square by 2 means that is 1 by 6 plus into 9 by 2 plus 3k. So that is equal 1. This implies 3k equal to 1 minus 1 3 by 4, and 3k equal, finally k value we are getting, that is 1 by 12. So like this you can find the, that is k value. If k value known that, then directly you can calculate, that is mean value. So therefore like this we can calculate the mean value. So therefore mean value, as you know that, that is m equal to x into f of x dx. So already that is f of x value given that x by 6 plus 1 by 12 of dx. So therefore the integration is x square by 6 plus x by 12 dx. So this x square integration is x cube by 3 means 3 into 6 18. X integration is x square by 2 into 24. After limits 1.875 gives the value. The next is one more solution is limit c is given that, then find the density probability of this particular range 1 to 2 for the given density function. So therefore 1 to 2 integration of x of x dx already is given that, that is f of x value x by 6 plus k of dx. So the limits are 1 to 2 x by 6 plus 1 by 12 of dx. So therefore after integration this is x square by 6 12 plus 1 by x by 12. One integration is x by 12 of 1 to 2. So final value is given that 0.583. So finally moments is our expectation is defined as an averaging process is applied on a random variables. So then it is defined as, that is expectation or mean value or first moment. If you are find out the mean value or second moment value, so then it is called as variance. The variance is denoted with sigma x square and equal to x minus m whole square into p of x gives the mean value. Similarly, if you are find out that is third moment, that is called as skew value. So that is denoted at mu3 equal to e of x minus m whole cube. So this is also named as third moment or dispersion about the mean with respect to third moment. So this is also called as skew value. If you are find out nth moment or nth moment value, nth moment about the origin, nth moment about the mean, so then it is called as moments. Thank you.